Hello and welcome to another not exciting video. This is not exciting just because I'm here to learn, not to teach everyone, because I want to become a network engineer and I'm currently studying master in networking. But I'm trying to learn through making videos because while I'm making videos, I find it quite interesting to keep it my work constant. Otherwise, I may work for one day and just let it go for next day. So I will make a videos whatever I learn and I will share with you guys as well, and I will also expect the feedback from you so that I can see the feedbacks and work accordingly. Okay, so I made a very basic topology in here. We have three switches. We're going to create a VLAN configuration. I have simply named here this PC belongs to VLAN 10, this PC belongs to VLAN 20, and this group belongs to 20, and this belongs to 10. And I also have administration computer in here, so that maybe if I get sufficient information in the internet, then I will also try to make these make maybe SSH secure shell, so that I can configure these three switches from this computer. Let's see how it goes. Honestly, I'm saying I don't even know how to configure VLAN yet. So I'll try to do Google search how to configure VLAN in a particular switch, and then we will proceed. Okay, so my bad. This is Google search. I'll search VLAN in packet tracer. Yeah. So okay, configuration is packet tracer. Okay, so packet tracer, not packet tracer. Okay, hopefully we can find some useful information anywhere. It looks like this website has something to. Okay, the amount of website that I'm going to open in here, I'll just simply open do my research in Google, and whatever I find I will open it, though I do not have any permission to share any websites through YouTube. But generally, when this is for the education purpose, for me, not for teaching purpose, there should not be any problem with that. Okay, so it is saying okay, so first VLAN 10. Okay, VLAN 10 means we are creating VLAN name 10. Okay, exit VLAN 20. Okay, we are creating two VLANs in here. Okay, and fast Ethernet 0 switch port mode. Okay, so what I understood is to create a VLAN we have to use VLAN command, and the name after that, the number, VLAN number, whatever we can create. There should not be. It is not particularly for we have to have a VLAN 10. Now we can create VLAN 2, VLAN 3, because what I understood is VLAN 1 is by default, that is a native VLAN, so we can't set a VLAN 1, so we have to create VLAN 2 or 10 or 15, anything else. Okay, so I'll apply this command in here. Okay, switch 1. So this is switch 1. I know how to configure hostname, so I'll just simply configure hostname first. Enable conf t to go to configuration terminal, and the command to change the hostname is hostname, and the name after the hostname. Yeah, so I'm changing this switch name into switch 1. Okay, no shut. Okay, there is no command like that. Okay, in here I'll go to interface, configuration terminal, and how was the command for changing the host name? Okay, host name switch 2. Okay, and in here I'll repeat the same. Enter configuration terminal, host name switch 3. Now, what was the issue with this? Configuration terminal HOST-NAME switch. Okay, we cannot have a space in here. Okay, that is understandable. Switch 3, or either we can also use underscore instead of space. That shouldn't be problem for that. Okay, so the host name is switch at the moment. So according to this website, I have to create VLAN in order to assign VLAN for these two computers. Okay, I'll go here and to end the configuration terminal. And no, I don't want the full screen. I just want here. Okay, so it is saying VLAN 10. Okay, no, it is saying invalid command. I don't know why it happened, because I can see the clearly. Okay, the config. Oh, okay, so we have to go to configuration terminal. I was in right direction. Okay, now it is config. Yeah. Okay, so VLAN 10. Yeah, there you go. We have created VLAN 10. What was the next command? Exit. Okay, to create another VLAN, so we have to exit from here. Okay, so we want to create VLAN 20 here as well. So VLAN 20. Okay. Okay, it looks like we have already created two VLANs. So, okay, I understood this one. Fast Ethernet. Well, actually, I do have some basic knowledge about what is switch port, or what are the ports and what are the settings in the pocket tracer. So this is going to help me, really going to help me. Okay, so in this command, oh no, where is the, okay, so we have to select the port. Let's say port number 01 interface. Okay, so we have to go to interface port 1, in my case port 3 and port 2. Okay, switch port access VLAN. Okay, I understand now. Okay, so first I'll exit here, maybe exit from here too. Okay, so interface FA0/3, that is the interface. Okay, configuration terminal, interface FA0/3. Okay, we are inside now. And what was the command for switching the port? Switch port access and the VLAN number. Okay, so switch port access VLAN. So port number 3 is connected to VLAN 10, so it should be VLAN 10. All right, VLAN 10. Okay, wow, maybe we can use no short command in here too. Yes, there you go. Okay, so I have to exit from here. Oh no, exit, and again interface FA0/2 for port number 2, and I will switch port access VLAN to assign this port number 2 into VLAN 20. Okay, so it's gonna be a very easy process as long as I understand some basic steps. Okay, so maybe I can use no short command in here as well. There you go. It looks like we have successfully assigned create and assign two VLANs, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, but I'm not sure if how to check that. Okay, so how to preview? I'll just simply do the Google search. How to preview VLAN in Pocket Tracer. packet tracer. Okay, how do I set up a VLAN? How do I? Okay, which can help me? This one? I don't know how to preview VLAN in here. Okay, maybe we can say VLAN database. All right, VLAN. How to check? How to check VLAN database in Pocket Tracer? Yeah, Packet Tracer. Sorry about my spelling, everyone. There should be command for checking the VLAN database. Okay, so this is this the VLAN database? So BTP domain. No, it looks like a different one. Is this the VLAN database? Yes, it looks like VLAN name. Yeah. So what is the command? Enable so VLAN. Enable so VLAN. Okay, I will try enable. Now, what happened? Do I need to use bracket? Oh, it looks like the command is just show VLAN. Okay. Wow. There you go, guys. It was very simple. Okay, so who is the... Okay, so this is VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Active, VLAN is active, and fast Ethernet. Okay, so fast Ethernet of FA0/3 is assigned to where? VLAN 10. Fast Ethernet 0/2 is assigned to VLAN 20. Excellent. Look. Wow. How simple is that? Okay, now I remember the steps. So I will go here. I will create the VLAN. Okay, so VLAN, we will have VLAN 20 in here. Okay, so exit. It is saying, okay, so port number 3 and port number 4 is going to be assigned inside VLAN 20. Both are belongs to VLAN 20. So we're gonna assign there. Interface. What was there? What was the command? What was the command? Oh, okay, 0/3. Wow. Switch port. Access. VLAN 20. Wow. Okay, so the another one, interface FA0/4. Okay, switch port, access, VLAN 20. Here we go again. Maybe we can use no set command. Yes. All right. For the admin computer, as long as I understand, the admin computer belongs to native VLAN. Just because this computer wants to communicate with all these computers, if we created this separate VLANs such as VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, then the admin computer won't be able to access those computers. So I will keep this computer into as it is in the by default. So maybe it cannot access, So for this one, okay. So how to configure this thing? Wow. Okay, so what was the command to create a VLAN, man? I just forget. Let me have a look in here. Oh, just simply type VLAN. Okay. So VLAN 10. Okay, so no worries, yeah. Exit. So I'll go to interface FA0 /3. Okay. Switch port. Access VLAN 10. Wow. And for the interface FA0/ what's the port? This one 2. All right, that's 2. Switch port, access VLAN 10. Excellent. And no set. All right, so this, oh no, Switch 3. Oh, no, this is switch 3. What's wrong with this one? Why is visible like that? Is this a VLAN 20? Nah, it is good. It is good. I was being. So I want to ping from here. So this is the option to ping between any computers. So I will click here and click here. 6 has no functional ports. Why? Oh, the reason behind that is because we haven't configured the computer. I know how to configure computer. Okay, so we have to go to desktop, IP configuration. Let's assign the IP address in here. 192.168.1.1. Maybe 1.2. I'll say 1.2 for this one, alright? So 1.2, we name this one 1.2. 2.168.1.2. 2. So we will assign this one 192.168.1.3. Alright, this is easy. Alright. 3. 192.168.1.4. 192.168.1.5. 192.168.1.6. 192.168.1.7. Alright. So we will assign these IP address to the computer. Go to desktop, IP configuration, 168.1.3, and in here let's assign 192.168.1.4. Alright, and in here go to desktop, IP configuration, 192.168.1.5. Alright, and in here, oh no, go to IP config. What are you doing, man? 1.6, and in here 192.168.1.7. Wow, let me ping two of these computers now. Wow, do you see how happy I am at the moment? Wow, so I'm going to ping to this computer and this computer. Wow, why is fail? It is failed because these are in separate VLANs. This one is in VLAN 1, native VLAN, and this one is VLAN 10. Okay, so maybe VLAN 10 from here and 10 from here can configure. No. Why? Why? Let me find out how to. Maybe we have to configure something. How to configure. No. Maybe how to communicate. Same VLAN in different switches. Maybe I can find the solution. How do you communicate between two different VLAN in a switch? No. Okay, so what happened if two devices on the same switch? No. VLAN and the switch have same VLAN. Okay. It looks promising. Oh, I want to go to the pictures. I need the command. Yay, I need command. Where are the commands? No. Types of VLANs. DHCP. I know DHCP. Between switches. Looks. VLAN 1. Wow. VLAN 1. Wow. Looks like there must be a solution, boy. Yeah. What happens if multiple switches are part of the overall network fabric? How does it work? The answer depends on the switch configuration or default topology. Whether switch have simply between power and the nodes. VLAN for both switches. If Cisco this means connection only between switch will be the VLAN. The routing. Oh, I don't understand why. Topology have configuration because your switches multicast traffic frequently. Wow, looks like I want to understand what is trunking. What is trunking? It is saying trunking in there. What is trunking? Oh no, no tung tung. One not tunki. TRUNKING. What was it like that? Trunking VLAN. Oh, what is that trunking VLAN? Okay, let me have a look. VLAN trunking protocol is Cisco. Okay, looks like something. Let me have a look in here. VLAN trunking. I am feeling sleepy. VLAN 20, if they want to communicate, trunk links. Okay, so this is called trunking. So I have to find out how to configure trunking. How to configure a trunk. Oh my god. Trunk. How to configure trunk. Configure as trunk port. How to configure trunk? I want, oh, config T interface this switch port mode trunk. Oh, switch port FA0S1. Which one? FA. Oh, this one. Oh, okay. These ports are going to be trunk. All of these. This is one. This one, two, one. Okay. So what was the command for that? Go to configuration interface FA0S1. Okay. Okay. No. Enable conf T. Oh, interface FA0/1. What's the 0/1? Oh, okay. Same. Interface FA0/1. Switch port. It is saying mode. Trunk. Oh, very easy. Yeah. Very easy. I'll do the same for this switch as well. Yeah. Enable or enable. Conf T. Okay, so what's the command? Oh no. Interface FA0/2. Switch port. Trunk. Okay. Another one. Interface 0/1. Switch port or trunk. Okay. I know how to save this one. Do right. Oh no. Do. Oh yeah. Sometimes what we need to do is we need to be smart sometime to find out the some of the basic configuration and some of the basic understanding of Cisco Pocket Tracer, and in general the Cisco, this interface, this what do we call operating system. Okay, so Cisco operating system, so things works like that. Okay, so for this one, already enable conf T interface FA0/1 switch port mode trunking. Okay, no shut. Okay, so do. Yeah, look. Oh my god. So I will ping this VLAN 10 and this VLAN 10. Oh, it's failed. Let me try again. Oh, what happened? What just happened? Maybe VLAN 20 and 20 here. Wow, this one is successful. Yeah. So it looks like the communication between these switches is good. Maybe there is something error between maybe this one or this one. Let's try. Let's do it again. VLAN 10 and VLAN 10 progressing. Or maybe looks like this port. Maybe I forgot to. I went to interface F0/1. So get 0/1. Switchboard mode trunk. No short. Do right. This one is good. Maybe this port. Let me find out here. Interface averages one switchboard mode trunk. Oh, oh, it is confusing. It is confusing. Why it is confusing? No, it is confusing. Wow, wow. Now I do not understand anything. I'm blank. Why it has problem with? Wow. I want to see the VLANs in here. Maybe we did some mistakes. What was the command? So VLAN, yeah. So VLAN 10 is assigned FA0/2 3. That is good. This is one, and this one is one as well. There shouldn't be any problem, right? Wow, this is the it has no ports. It is progressing. VLAN 20 and VLAN 20 successful. Oh, I don't understand. No, no, you can't do this to me. VLAN 10 and VLAN 10. Oh no, it is getting failed. I don't understand. Let me create VLAN 20 in here too. You know, to check if we have problem with the connection or if we have problem with maybe we have one switch in between. Maybe that is the reason it is not there is no established communication. Let's see. I will create VLAN 20 in here as well. Okay, so what I will do is I will go to interface FA 0/3 switchboard mode. No, not more. Access VLAN 20. Alright. What I'll do is I will try to communicate between these two switches. It is saying there is no communication. Why? See? There is a problem. There is a problem between these switches. Okay, looks like we can communicate now. Successful. Wow. LAN 20 and 20 here. Only this connection is problematic. Only this connection is problematic. Only this connection is problematic. I'll do show run and I'll see FA 0/3 0/3 VLAN 10 and I'll have a look in here as well. What port is this? FA 0/2. Okay, so which port this cable is assigned? Let's have a look. So run FA 0/2. This one is 2 VLAN 10. Wow, this should not be a problem. Now let me assign another VLAN in here too. Maybe it looks like we have to create each VLANs. It looks like because we just have VLAN 20 in here, so the communication between this VLAN is not establishing because this switch does not understand what is VLAN 10. So it looks like we have to create a VLAN 10 in here. Configuration terminal VLAN 10. Okay, I'll just simply create a VLAN 10. I'll not assign anything from here. Let's see, maybe we can communicate now. Now it is failed. Why it is failed? I'll assign VLAN administration computer to VLAN 10. Let me try. Now conf t. Okay, so interface phase 0/5. Now interface phase 0/5 switch port mode no trunk switch port access VLAN 10. What's the problem? Switch port. Oh, okay, so it's spelling problem. See, VLAN 10. Okay, so this PC is in the VLAN 10 network right now. So I have to set the IP address for this one too. We haven't configured IP address before. 2.168.1.8. Let's have a look if we can successfully communicate between these two computers. It is going to fail obviously because this is, we can see a little dot orange or yellowish dot. That means the communication is not established yet. Okay, so it is green. Now it looks like there is communication. Okay, so it is successful. See, okay, what I understood so far is, in order to establish communication between different switch and different computers, is we have to have, firstly we have to have all the VLANs that whatever we have in single PC, whether you need it or don't need it, and you have to at least assign the VLANs to these computers, so that the communication can be established. So what I will do now is I will try to remove the fast Ethernet 0/5 switch port access VLAN 1. Okay, so I just let me have a look if the VLAN, if the VLAN 10 is empty now. Okay, so VLAN 10 is empty. Okay, so let me have a ping now. Okay, it is being successful. Honestly, I do not understand the key detail behind the, sometime it is communicating, sometime it doesn't, it does not. So I do not understand the detail behind that, but I will try to find out the reason behind that as I'm still a student, and we will try to sort it out that after. Okay, thank you so much guys for being with me and learning with me. I learned something new today, and I'll try to find out the reason behind why it was happening before, and I'll try to solve those issues as well, and I'll come with another not exciting video next time. Thank you guys. Bye bye.